In today's video, I show you guys a fully working 19 plus trainer for Need for Speed Most Wanted 2005 that runs perfectly in 2026. All you have to do is check my video description for this mod link, select the download option, and you just need to wait for 10 seconds. After 10 seconds, select the download now option and check my video description for this another mod link, select the download option and wait for 25 seconds. This is required to run the trainer. Select the download now option. After the download done, select this folder icon. Right click on the downloaded file and select WinRAR and select open with WinRAR. Let's close stuff here and right click on the game on the desktop shortcut and select open file location. Just drag and drop these speed.exe inside of a game folder and select replace the file the destination and say continue. Go back to WinRAR and open this trainer. Open again. Just drag and drop these two files inside of a game folder. Type here trainer and select OK. Do this and say continue. Just close tab here. Right click on the exe file, just red icon and select run as administrator. Select yes. And now the trainer has been opens up. And these are the trainer keys. I will give you in my description, guys. So just for this tutorial, I'm gonna test this one. F1 for ultimate and nitro. Just launch the game. Make sure the mod is running in the background. Once you are in game, I'm gonna test the trainer. To do this, press the F1 key and I'm gonna use the nitro ultimate times. As you can see, the trainer works perfectly fine and you need to check whether all keys are working fine. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like and subscribe. Thank you.